Ladies and gentlemen, alcohol deaths are rising. This is according to the government report that recently came out from the CDC. So it rose by 26% the first year of the pandemic, and it's been growing ever since. So the deaths that can be directly attributed to alcohol rose 30% in the US during the first year of the pandemic. Two new reports from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention showed which states are seeing the highest number and which groups are impacted. The agency already said such deaths rose from 2020 to 2021. According to the World Health Organization, the harmful use of alcohol as a casual factor in more than 200 disease and injury conditions, with 3 million resulting in deaths annually. The report released on Friday detailed more than a dozen of different kinds of deaths, including liver or pancreas failure, alcohol poisoning, and withdrawal. I'm not surprised. America got so many addictions here, it's not even funny. So the rate of those deaths had increased by 7% or less each year, but rose 26% in 2020, the highest rate in at least 40 years. More than 52,000 such deaths last year. The number rose from 39,000 in 2019. For both men and women, the deaths were 2.5 times more common in men. So the rate also remained higher among people 55 to 64 years old, but jumped 42% among women 35 to 44 years old. The second report looked at a wider range of deaths that could be linked to alcohol, including cancers and motor vehicle accidents. Researchers said that 140,000 of the broader category of deaths occurred annually based on data from 2015 to 2019. That is more than 380 deaths per day. About 82,000 are from drinking too much. And so they're talking about people that drink excessively over a long period of time. So 58,000 are from people that had acute intoxication. Okay. So the study found that as many as 1 in 8 deaths among US adults ages 20 to 64 were alcohol related deaths. New Mexico had the highest percentage of alcohol related deaths at 22%. Mississippi had the lowest. Oh, well, that's interesting. I wonder if that changed during the water crisis down there. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am not surprised. What addiction is not in America? For real. This place have so many addictions, and what's wrong with these people that are supposed to be so happy and have everything and have money? Yeah, but you do destructive things with your money, but hey, you do you. So the opioid epidemic is still going stronger than ever. In fact, it got worse over the last 2 years. So I'm not surprised that the alcohol deaths are rising in America. I'm not surprised about it at all, ladies and gentlemen. You know, this is what happens when you watch your country fall in the toilet in a short period of time, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. These folks are just getting around to accepting that they are never going back to 2019 levels. It is really gone for good. And life is never going to be the way that it was once in America. Look, it hasn't changed for us. It is just as bad as it's been for centuries. So for us, it's all the same. But for these folks that are used to having everything and they're now watching their entire world fall apart, yeah, well, I can see how it's impacting them, you know? I guess that's what happens when you have a false sense of security, one that you had to fake up and fabricate all this time. But now that the pandemic hit and you just can't get back on your feet, you can't fake that funk anymore, can you? So the real truth is finally coming out. A country filled with all kinds of addictions will probably get worse as your economy continues to fall, along with everything else in this country. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.